Museum specimen chameleon, and it is the diagram. Irreversible's tongue, eye, hood, nostril, mouth, trunk, forelimbs, hind limb, and prehensile tail. It is the chameleon diagram, and its comment is the classifications: phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, superclass Tetrapoda, classes Reptilia, subclasses Diapsida, order Squamata, suborder Lacertilia, and genus Chameleon. Comments: it is the inhabitants Africa, Madagascar, and Arab, etc. That is the lizard-like appearance and lead and the arboreal lives. Tongue is long, club-shaped, and projectile with help and the animal to catches insect or other prey. The tail is the prehensile end and is used to catch branches of the tree. It has the power of changing its color. Second is the museum specimen is the torpedo electric ray. The part eyes and spiracles, electric organ, pectoral fin, pelvic fin, dorsal fin, caudal fin. And the classifications: phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, superclass species, classes Elasmobranchi, subclasses Silachi, superclass Hypotremata, ventral gill slits, and the order Torpediniformis with electric organ and family Torpedinidae, and the genus Torpedo or electric ray. Comment: torpedo is also known as the electric ray. The body is the subcircular in shape with the continuous with a relatives short thick tail. The skin is smooth without the denticles. A pair of spiracles behind the eye on the dorsal surface. Two lateral longitudinal folds of the pectoral fin on the lateral sides of the body. The pelvic fins are present. The tail carried to the dorsal and the caudal fins. A pair of a large electric organ between the pectoral fin. Museum specimen Scalidon, that is the dogfish. Mouth, eyes, gill slits, pectoral fin, dorsal, first dorsal fins and lateral fin, pelvic fin, second dorsal fin, anal fin, and ventral fin, caudal fin. And classifications: phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, superclass species, classes Condychactes, order Pleurotremata, order Pleurotremata, family Cyclidae, and genus Scalidon or dogfish. Comment: the natural home of the Scalidon is a sea and they are the active swimmers. Scalidon is also known as the fishes or the dog fishes. Spindle shaped body about 60 centimeters long is recognized into head, trunk, and tail. Head is dorso-ventrally and compressed and flattened into snout. Heterocercal tail and the containing musculatures and the vertebral column. Scalidons exhibited sexual dimorphism. And the museum specimen Katla and mouth, eyes, operculum, pectoral fin, lateral lines, scales, pelvic fin and dorsal fin, anal fin, and caudal fin. And classifications: phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, superclass species, classes Teleostomi, Ocyctithis, and subclasses Actinopteridae, order Cyprinidiformis, suborder Cyprinidae, and family Cyprinidae, and genus Katla and species Katla. Comments: it is the common freshwater Katla fishes. The body is the laterally compressed and covered by the cycloid scales. Paired fin, the pectoral and pelvic, as well as the unpaired plans dorsal, anal, and caudal fins are the present. Respirations by gill, which is the covered by operculums. Lateral lines is the distinct on either sides, and the people like to eat it. And the museum specimen is Spirana, is also called and the head, eyes, and gill slits, dorsal fin, lateral fin, and the spidones fin, tail, caudal fins, anal fin, and pelvic pectoral fin. This is the Spirana. And a comment is the classifications. Phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, series pieces, classes Elasmobranchi, subclasses Silaci, order Laminiformis, family Spirinidae, and genus Spirana. Comments: it is the deep sea voracious shark and crescentric ventral mouth with the homodont teeth in the both jaw. 5 lateral gill slits without the operculum, and 2 dorsal fins, pectoral fins, pelvic fin, ventral, and the caudal fins are the present. Cartilaginous and endoskeletons, and the eyes with the nictitating membranes. Occurrence. Another is the museum specimen, that is the Salamandra. And the first eyes, head, forelimbs, yellow blind bands, and the trunk, hind limbs, tail. And classifications: phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, class Amphibia, superclass Tetrapoda, order Urodela, family Salamandridae, and genus Salamandra. And the comment: Salamandra generally lives under stones, leaves, mountains, and cracks. The long body and the sixth feet is divided into the distinct head, trunk, and tail. Eyes with the movable eyelids. And the adult have no gill slits, and trunk with digitate limbs. Museum specimen Naja Naja, and that is the cobra. Eyes, head, hood, and spectacles, marks, trunk, cylindrical cell, tails, and the scales. Classifications: phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, superclass Tetrapoda, classes Reptilia, and subclasses Dipsida, order Squamata, suborder Ophidia, genus Naja Naja, and species Naja Naja. And comment: it is the Indian cobra, also known as the China and South Africa. The body is elongated body, half into 2 meters long. The body is covered by scales. Neck is not distinct. Tail is the cylindrical. Ventral is covered the belly completely. And third, supravidals touch the eye and nasal. Museum specimen Hyla, and it is also known as the tree frog. Head, external nostril, eye, tympanum, trunk, adhesive pad, and forelimbs, wave, hind limbs. And classifications: phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, superclass Tetrapoda, class Amphibia, order Enura, family Hylidae, and genus Hyla. And comment: Hyla is also known as the tree frog. It can climb easily on a tree, and the forelimbs with 4 toes, and hind limbs with the 5 toes. Wave between the digits in hind limbs. The apex of each toe is swollen and to an adhesive pad. It helps the animals in climbing a trees. Second is the Exocetus, a flying trees. And classifications of the parts: large pectoral fin, dorsal fin, caudal fins, anal, pelvic, and operculums, eyes, mouth. And Exocetus, a flying fishes. Phylum Chordata, and subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, superclass Pisces, and classes Teleostomi, subclass Actinopteridae, order Belloniformis, family Exocytidae and genus Exocetus. Comments: it is a flying faces. The pectoral fins are as well as developments and are used to parachute. And caudal fins elongated hypocaudal type, and it makes great leaps up out of the water and actually sails through the airs. Museum specimens Bangaras and the called Karaith. Tongue, head, eye, and neck, mouth, and hexagonal skulls, band, trunk, and ventral legs, and plates and cylindrical shells. Comment: that is the phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, superclass Tetrapoda, classes and Reptilia, and subclass Dipnoi, Dipsida, and order Squamata, suborder Ophidia, genus Bangarus. Comments: it is the Karaith, the generic name of is the Bangarus, and it feeds on lizard, rats, etc. The tail is the cylindrical and ventral sheets completely cover the belly. The subcaudals are only in one rows. The median dorsal scales are the hexagonal head with the large scales, and the fourth infralabials is the largest. It is a poisonous snake. This is the Bangaras and Karaith. Blastula of frog, a complete or in section. Blastula. Comment: first, this is the blastula of frog. Second, at the upper end lies the smaller pigmented microspores, and at the lower end lies the larger whitish megamares. Third, at the center is a cavity, the blastocele filled with fluid. Fourth, after blastula, gastrula stage appears. Blastula of frog, A complete and B in section. Micromares, blastocele, and megamares. It is the complete diagram of the blastula of frog, and a complete diagram and in a section diagram of frog of blastula.